An assembly circular pattern is helpful in adding instances in cases where components are patterned in a circular arrangement about a single axis. To create a circular pattern, select the Assembly Circular Pattern in the toolbar. Start by selecting the components or subassemblies to pattern. Next, define the pattern axis for the circular pattern. The axis can be a model edge, face, mate connector, or conical or cylindrical face. Next, define how the instances should be spaced. Selecting equal spacing distances the specified number of instances equally from one another within the defined angle range. The number of instances includes the seed instance. Alternatively, if equal spacing is disabled, the angle will specify the angle between instances. The direction of rotation about the axis can be reversed by clicking the opposite direction button. The centered option creates a symmetric circular pattern and behaves as if two circular patterns were created using the same parameters, but in opposite directions. Circular patterns quickly add additional instances in a circular array and allow changes to be made easily as the design evolves.